Let's graph and find the properties of a circle centered at x equals -2 and y equals -5, with radius 8.
The center is the anchor point of the circle.
The center is at x equals -2, y equals -5.
The radius is the distance from the center to the circle. Step out by the radius, right, left, up, and down. These 4 points sit on the circle. A circle equation uses center shifts on the left, radius squared on the right.
The signs come from subtracting the center coordinates, x plus 2, and y plus 5.
The radius is 8, so the right side is 8 squared, which is 64. Now we derive the related properties from the radius. The diameter is 2 radii across, 2 times 8 equals 16. The circumference is 2 pi r, 2 times pi times 8 equals 16 pi.
The area is pi r squared, pi times 8 squared equals 64 pi.
So this circle is described by its center and radius.